Have you ever faced this kind of situation? What a customer complains about is not a major structural failure, but small details that should have been controlled before shipment. A chair that does not sit level, inconstant sitting comfort. A seam that looks slightly off, or a frame that starts making noise. After some time, this may seem like small problems, but for importers, wholesalers, and retailers and furniture brands, they quickly turn into after-sale pressure, replacement cost, and damage trust. The real issue is this: most of these problems could have been found before the goods ever left the factory. At ASKT, this is exactly what we work to prevent. Welcome to ASKT today. I want to show you something more important than a beautiful sample. I want to show you how we verify products safety before mass production begins, and how we control quality again through bulk production, chair by chair. Let us begin with pre-production. Product safety testing. Before a chair moves into mass production, we do not approve it simply before it looks right. We verify whether the structure is truly ready for long-term use. A chair may look perfect in a showroom, but without proper testing, problems often appear only after repeatedly used. That is why we carry out a full series of safety and durability tests before production begins. We test seat static load, backrest strength, front edge, pressure, leg front force, and side stability. We also perform seat impact, back impact, backward fall test, and durability testing on the seat back connection. For armchairs, we test armrest durability, and for fabrics, we run operation tests to ensure long-term performance. These tests are not for presentation, they are done to answer practical questions: where the frame remains stable over time, where connections stay secure, where the chair keep its balance, where the fabrics maintains its quality, and the most important is the structure truly ready for bulk production. This is what QA means at ASKT. Identify risk early and solving problems before they reach your customers. But testing is only the first half. The second half is what happens during bulk production. Even the perfect sample can fail if production is not controlled properly. That is why we do not rely on a final inspection alone. We control quality throughout the entire process. Our system is built across 3 checkpoints: in-process inspection, post-assembly inspection, and pre-shipment audit. First comes order verification. Inspectors confirm model color, material, quantity, package labels, and all customers' requirements before inspection begins. Then comes first piece confirmation. The first chair is assembled and compared with approved sample. We check dimensions, sitting comfort, proportions, and functional performance, such as swivel or rotation mechanism, including smoothness and noise control. Only after the first piece is approved do we move into the full inspection. During bulk inspection, we check both appearance and structure. For upholstery, we inspect shapes, stitching, symmetry, surface smoothness, corners, zippers, back finish, bottom fabrics, and labeling. For metal frames, we check assembly fit, dimension levelness, weight consistency, welding quality, hole positioning, surface finishing, color consistency, foot gliders, screw fitting, connection stability. We even check for metal reduced inside tubes to prevent noise issues later. Because in real business, most problems do not come from major failure, but from small details: an uneven chair, a loose joint, a rough weld, a missing label, or inconsistency between sample and bulk. That is why our QC system is designed to catch both structure and detail level issues before shipment. Another key point for B2B customers is traceability. At ASKT, inspection is not only performed, but also documented. Each batch has clear inspection records, ensuring that quality is controlled based on defined standards, not assumptions. For buyers, this means confidence that bulk inspection truly matches the approved samples. At ASKT, we test before production, confirm before scaling, inspect during production, verify after assembly, and audit before shipment. Our quality assurance engineer prevents problems before they happen. QC control every step during inspection. Together, they ensure every chair will deliver not only well designed, but also reliable in real use. Because in the end, quality is not just about passing inspection, it's about reducing claims, lowering after-sales service, protecting your reputation, and ensuring that what your customer receives exactly what you approved. That is how ASKT understands quality, not as a slogan, but as a working system. Ready to raise your own quality standards? Comment QA below, and I will send you our professional quality inspection checklist to help you eliminate after-sales risks before they happen. Thank you for trusting ASKT.